Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on Claude memory capabilities. By enabling this feature, you will permit Claude to use your previous chat history to generate memory and remember your interactions and your previous creations. If this video will help, please like and subscribe. All right, to do this, go ahead and log into your Claude account. And once you are logged in, head down to your account icon here and go to settings. Now from settings, head to capabilities, and if you tap on this, head to memory. Here we have an option to generate memory from your chat history. And as you can see, this function is turned off. So if you go ahead and allow this, you're told, now Claude will remember relevant context from your chats, and this setting controls memory for both chats and projects. So that's how you can do it. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.